My song is Kaun Tujhe, and here we'll practice for this song. So I will not give you more a lot of the physical. We will just start with the song only, and with the song we will practice 1-2 time, and after we'll do the whole song together. Continue. So I will place the song, and you have to come into the child pose, everyone. So if you want to relax, you can relax also for a little bit. Take inhale and exhale normal first. Sit down. Inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. So now we'll go for that. So everyone first come into the child pose here. We'll start with the music, we will look front. Now you have to look front. Put your right leg front, hands onto the knee. Open hand. Down. Look front, one hand.
तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरता हवा के जैसे चलती है मैं रेत जैसे उड़ता हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करे जैसे मैं करता हूँ
So first you have to practice until here. We will do one more time. This one is little bit faster also, so everyone you have to follow with me. So everyone just one more time come into the child pose. Until here we will revise one more time, and after we will do the second one, and after that we'll do on the whole song together. I don't want to take too much time, it's already late. So come into the child pose. With the music, look front. Right leg front, hands onto the knee. Open your hand. Hands up. Straight leg down.
जब जब सांसें भरता हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरता हूँ हवा के जैसे चलती है तू मैं रेत जैसे उड़ता हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करता हूँ
Come back. Opposite side. Come back. Down switch leg.
मुझसे ज़्यादा मेरे जैसा कोई है तो है
So everyone, you have to finish until this first. So might be little bit faster. Everyone, you have to give a little bit time to understand all the pose. Just try to follow me. Whatever I am doing, you just try to follow that one. Okay. So again, child pose. This time we'll do whole song together. With music, look front. One leg front, hands to the knee. Open hand to the side. Hands up. Straight leg down. Look front. One hand up, bend. Second hand. Straight leg to the side. Above the side. Right foot right, left foot left. Bend your knee. Come front. One, two, three. Come back. Hands up. Namaste. Straight leg.
मुझसे ज्यादा मेरे जैसा कोई है तो है तू
Push. Chaturanga. Roll upward.
तुझको ना
Downward. Back.
तो है जो दिल घबराए कुछ तो है जो
To the
सांस
side.
कुछ तो है जो हम होठों से
One hand. Second hand. Out.
कहना
Roll. Catch. Opposite. Plank. One hand up. Again the same opposite side. Namaste. Hands behind. Downward.
मेरी नजर का सफर तुझ पे ही आके रुके कहने को
Side.
बाकी है क्या कहना था जो कह चुके मेरी निगाहें हैं तेरी निगाह
Straight your leg. Bend front.
खबर क्या बेखबर
Slow, slow. Come back. Opposite side. Hand behind. Both hands. Straight leg. Hands down. Drop your knee and slow, slow come into the child pose. We finish where we start. Very good. So here we just finish it. So I hope all of you can follow it. So you please give your comment, give your feedback, and continue. More time or not? I see. You see, I don't take a lot of time. Faster.
Master Ajay want to say that his students is very good and very intelligent, and they do not need so many time for trial and that. Directly you all can go.
Because
So-
might be today you also busy, so I also don't want to take a lot of time for you.
So thank you so much, guys. So this is just like a fun, and we try to mix up the practice with the yoga, and we try with some music. So because this is another way like how you can be connect more and we feel more, because music is also the part of the yoga. Like if you can feel the connection with the music, so you can be enjoy more and more.
So maybe in the live maybe video is not clear, so we want to sorry for that, but don't worry, we will upload the new video with recording, so every one of you can take the music.
Actually,
and dance.
me and Ajay, we just arrived in Vietnam couple of days before on 28th, and at this time we are in a hotel. Actually, we are staying in the hotel for 14 days for quarantine.
So thank you so much guys for your love, respect and care, and once again we want to say our teacher, your teacher, happy Teachers Day.
Yes, one update I also give, might be Ajay forget. We are going to be start our another YTTC 200 hours. If some of, because one YTTC is going on, that is maybe finishing by in this weekend. तो उसके बाद we are starting the next YTTC from 19th of September. If you or any of your family, friends and colleagues, if they are interested to become a yoga teacher, means international certified yoga teacher, so they can be contact with me and Master Jay. So this is really very good opportunity. Okay, you say.
So this is also a very good chance for you who want to learn. So because this is the time of the COVID and everyone cannot go outside, cannot practice offline. So online, this is the good option for all of you. So if you want to make a yoga career, if you want to become a good yoga teacher, so everyone can come and join with us. So we'll take the responsibility, we'll make you a good teacher.
Yoga Lens, might be someone have this confusion and this misperception कि हम online करेंगे, so how can it, that certificate will be valid or not. So let me clear this confusion. Actually Yoga Lens, because of this situation, this epidemic, because of COVID, तो उन्होंने guideline दिया कि if you finish the training until December, पहले उनका सितंबर तक का, लेकिन बाद में उन्होंने थोड़ा सा और उनको डेट को आगे किया, तो this is until December. If you done any training until December, so it will be registered as a same regular certificate. उसमें ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है कि that is online or not. So this is really very good way, and
So please don't miss this chance, and we'll see you later.
and some students, if they want to be registered for 300 hours, so maybe in somewhere in October, we are planning somewhere in October, maybe first or second week, we are just working on that. So we'll be update about it on the YouTube. So thank you so much guys. Take care. Namaste.
Namaste.
Hari Om. Om Shanti.